shop. Today we're going to have another video on the GTO. Thanks for watching. He's got the metal all straightened out, and now we're just going to add some reinforced filler. He likes to put it where the edges are and where it meets up because it's a little bit stronger than regular filler. You'll see he's using that metal spreader here. It's a lot more rigid, and it'll push that filler down into the sand scratches and make sure that it has a good adhesion. When he's applying it here, you'll see that he is going past where it meets up just a little bit. Okay, and I do appreciate some of you that want me to fast forward through this part, and some of you who want me to show you the technique. So if y'all have a comment, drop it and let me know what your opinion is. But a lot of people are saying they like to learn the technique. So you can let me know in the comments. And this does look like a lot to some of you, and most of you know that the majority of this gets sanded away. So that's just it. It's a great product in the right hands. Okay, here he's cutting out the filler so that he can access his joint, and that way he'll be able to sand those out there in the joint. He'll be able to round them off. This technique only works if you haven't waited too long for it to dry too hard. If you wait too long, then you won't be able to do this. It won't be able to slide through there this easy. Here he's got his folded sandpaper and he's putting it in the groove there in his joint, and he's just trying to get that sanded out to where he can get it smoothed out and get it the way he likes it. Okay, back on this fender. Hopefully we get this thing finished up real soon. He likes to change directions. If he sweeps up, then eventually he'll sweep down. If he sweeps down, he'll eventually sweep up. He added glaze and now he's sanding. He likes to sand in a crisscross pattern. And he's just smearing this fender just like he did the other side.